Maintaining a lush, well-manicured lawn can be a labor-intensive task. But what if you could leave it to a robotic helper? Enter Robotic Lawn Mowers, the game-changing devices that are revolutionizing lawn care. These automated marvels are designed to upgrade your yard maintenance routine, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Husqvarna Automower 315X Robotic Lawn Mower. In 2023, my top pick for the best smart robotic lawn mower is the Husqvarna Automower 315X, a remarkable piece of lawn care technology. This high-quality mower boasts durable blades and a suite of integrated modern features that greatly enhance its usability. With a rugged design, an IPX4 water resistance rating, and impressive battery life that can cover medium-sized lawns up to 0.4 acres, it's a dependable choice for maintaining your lawn. The 2,300 RPM electric motor powers 3 sharp blades, ensuring a precise cut and efficient performance. It can navigate inclines of up to 22 degrees thanks to its robust wheels and uses an intelligent GPS system to efficiently roam your lawn. Moreover, its companion app offers a range of useful features, allowing you to monitor progress, set schedules, and control the mower from your smartphone. If you're in the market for an effective, high-tech lawnmower, the Husqvarna Automower 315X is the ideal option to keep your lawn looking its best. Robomow RX20 Robotic Lawn Mower. This mower is the ideal choice for individuals seeking an economical solution to lawn maintenance without compromising on quality. With its user-friendly design featuring a simple one-button operation and an intuitive setup process that takes just around an hour to complete, it ensures a hassle-free experience for users. Despite its cost-effective price tag, the Robomow RX20 delivers solid performance with ample battery life, providing a dependable 2 to 3 hours of runtime per charge, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. Setting it apart from other budget models, it comes equipped with a built-in rain sensor, automatically returning to its charging station upon detecting wet conditions to protect both your lawn and the mower. The RX20 efficiently manages slopes of up to 8.5 degrees, offers adjustable cutting height, and boasts a 7-inch cutting width, making it well-suited for smaller yards up to 1/20th of an acre. While its cutting efficiency per pass may not be the highest, it compensates with robust app support, allowing for convenient features like voice control via Alexa, progress monitoring, intuitive scheduling, and height adjustment. Furthermore, it includes security features such as a programmable code and child lock to enhance safety, making the Robomow RX20 an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly robotic lawnmower that delivers reliable performance. Husqvarna Automower 450X, Best Overall Robotic Lawn Mower. With its robust companion app, intelligent navigation system, and durable components, it ensures an impeccable lawn cut every time. Designed to withstand frequent use and various weather conditions, its rugged build is built to last. While the installation process may be a bit intricate and time-consuming, the Automower 450X compensates with ample battery life, providing a reliable 3 to 5 hours of runtime per charge. This makes it an ideal choice for managing large lawns or expansive areas up to 1.25 acres. Setting itself apart from less advanced models, it includes practical features like built-in obstacle sensors and LED headlights for enhanced visibility and control, even in low-light conditions. With its ability to navigate steep inclines up to 24 degrees, adjustable cutting height, and wide cutting width, this lawnmower offers a comprehensive solution for your lawn care needs. Whether it's maintaining vast landscapes or intricate lawns, the Husqvarna Automower 450X is the premium choice for top-tier performance and efficiency. MowRo RM24 Robotic Lawn Mower. Its straightforward setup and user-friendly design make it a budget-friendly choice. This compact and lightweight robotic lawnmower comes equipped with a reliable set of built-in sensors, an impressive cutting width, and operates quietly, ensuring a convenient and cost-effective lawn care experience. It can handle various weather conditions, thanks to its built-in rain sensor, contributing to its overall durability. Setting up the boundary wire system is a breeze, and the mower incorporates anti-collision and obstacle detection sensors for safe navigation. With dependable battery life and an auto-return feature to the charging dock when the battery runs low, the RM24 offers a hassle-free lawn care solution. While users prioritizing longer battery life may opt for higher-end models, the MowRo RM24 delivers reliable performance at an affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an efficient way to maintain their lawn without breaking the bank. Works WR140 Landroid Robotic Lawn Mower. In 2023, the Works WR140 Landroid emerges as the top choice for most people seeking a dependable and long-lasting robotic lawnmower. This versatile, mid-range option offers user-friendly controls, exceptionally quiet operation, and a potent cutting system that guarantees impeccable lawn coverage and performance. Its rugged and durable design can endure rainy weather, and it even features an integrated rain sensor that detects wet conditions automatically. Ease of use is a hallmark of the Works WR140 Landroid, with an intuitive 2.5-inch LCD display showcasing remaining battery life and a 9-button control panel, including a safety halt button for added security. Its battery life is another strength, providing up to 2 hours of continuous mowing, making it suitable for areas up to 1/4 of an acre. The added benefit of a solid 3-year warranty provides peace of mind. With a powerful yet quiet motor producing only around 63 decibels of noise, it maintains excellent cutting performance, featuring a sharp, durable blade with a 7-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height. Robust rear wheels enable smooth navigation on inclines up to 20 degrees. Further enhancing its appeal is the built-in Wi-Fi radio and companion app, allowing for precise lawn measurements, progress tracking, firmware updates, scheduling, GPS location tracking, and more. The Works WR140 Landroid excels as an all-around performer, combining ease of use, durability, and advanced cutting and navigation technology to consistently deliver a well-groomed lawn. If you seek a high-quality robotic lawnmower without breaking the bank, this is the ideal choice that offers efficient grass cutting and obstacle avoidance. Robotic lawnmowers are the future of yard maintenance, offering a hassle-free way to keep your lawn looking its best. These smart devices are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, and they free up your time for more enjoyable activities. As you consider upgrading your yard, think about the convenience and benefits that a robotic lawnmower can bring. With their advanced features, including automated scheduling and remote control via smartphone apps, these robots are poised to redefine the way we care for our lawns. So invest in a robotic lawnmower and let it take the hard work out of your yard maintenance. Your lawn will thank you with a healthy, pristine appearance, and you'll have more time to relax and enjoy your outdoor space. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.